First, we'll start by defining what we mean when we say purpose. It's more than just a buzzword, and it's scientifically defined by 3 elements. First, there's an overarching life goal beyond an incremental step, such as passing a test or applying for college. Second, it's a part in one's personal search for meaning, but not entirely focused on the self. Instead, purpose looks at the world beyond the self. And third, it's the ultimate concern. It is the definition of why do I care? It is a reasoning beyond immediate goals and motives. Similarly, the path to purpose is recognized in 4 stages. First, childhood, when a child is making sense of the world. During this time, the more self-generated achievement and purpose-driven actions one takes, the more ability they have to amplify their actions. In other words, purpose finding is exponential. Next, adolescence, which is the formative period of purpose finding, where soul-searching and experimentation should be encouraged. Then, emerging adulthood, when one's path to purpose begins to be realized. This path is delayed by cynicism, apathy, anxiety, and directionless drift, where young people aren't really sure where to go next. And lastly, adulthood, when purpose is continually acted upon or delayed, rejected, or never found at all. Sometimes this may be seen as a midlife crisis, where one recognizes that they never had or were limited in their path to purpose. Much research in purpose finding is attributed to Dr. William Damon, who led initial research in this relatively new field. In 2006, he studied 1,200 interview responses of young people, and he placed them into 4 categories. The disengaged, represented by 25% of respondents. They express no purpose at all and are not active in any endeavor that may become purposeful, nor are they searching for these pursuits. They are apathetic, detached, and are not concerned about much beyond themselves. The dreamers, 25% of respondents. They talk about desiring a purpose, but have done little to actively achieve much. They want to do great things, but have little to no practical application. The dabblers, 31%. They have started to take on activities that may be purposeful, but show little awareness in seeing the bigger picture, nor committing to these ideas for extended periods of time. Sometimes they may be involved in so many potential activities that they're overwhelmed. And the purposeful, 20%. They are grounded in purposeful activities with a clear sense of what they are doing in the world and why. They have an overarching goal or cause that they've committed to, and they know the steps to achieve their next action. Notably, this means that 80% of young people aren't purposeful, and half have done little to nothing purposeful at all. The next question becomes, well, why do we care about purpose finding? Outside of the obvious reason of purpose being sort of the whole point of our existence, it is linked to positive benefits across the board. In the handbook, you'll find studies linking purpose to everything from increased hope, happiness, academic success, and physical well-being to being more connected to society at large and promoting pro-social behavior. As educators, we have a specific role to play in purpose finding. The most promising part of this research is that by simply bringing up purpose finding and discussing purpose with our students, we are in turn building upon their path to purpose. There's no exact science in helping students navigate this path, but we can feel good knowing that by taking any step, we're assisting them on their journey.